I'm about to leave with one more. Alright, one more, I'm out. I swear to God, I'm out. Huh? Yeah, give me a new beat. I'm going out. I'm going out. Shake. Nigga, that bud, nigga. What's it up? What? Oh,
you put this on though. I was about to ask you if you had this beat too, guys.
Yep. I got Hey, look. Hey, this is some real shit. I'm gonna hit some real shit, nigga. Some real shit.
As long as you stay the first, it's okay.
Hey, okay. I think about some shit real quick. Look. Sight knives, not brick. It's for a bit. On this beat, nigga, I'm bullshitting. Like I'm a bull. So that means I'm shit. Too legit to quit. This beat I'll be ripping. Look. I'm so fly, nigga. I'm so high, nigga. I'm up with God and I'm waving. Bye, nigga. Nigga, I'm just soaring. And half of these rappers is oh so boring. They ain't really saying shit. You heard the second LP. I'm a lunatic. Shout out to my man, Mr. Go-Getter. And that's my main nigga for real. We bang niggas. And if they want fake, we'll go and slang niggas. I said it before, but I'm like a medicine boy. Cause I will turn in a Megazord and overload on the beat. Fuck that, you niggas is sweet. If you got a bitch, you can see my meat. And this is Halloween saying trick or treat. I get both bitches. I get big riches. Fuck a mission and you will have big stitches. I'm talking laying in a hospital, cause I'll vomit. Fuck that, a zombie, bomb you. I'm fucking with no karma. Fuck that, I got no words in my brain right now. So I'm just but I don't give a fuck. If a nigga fake, he won't leave no luck. I'm just stuck. Like, I don't know what I'm stuck about. I'm just stuck like Jello. Hello. But fuck that nigga, I'm shawty, hello. But they motherfucking know I'm a pro, you a hoe. And I said so. Look that, I gotta fit it on. Pirate's hat, they gotta fit it on. You gotta fit it on. You gotta fit it on. You gotta fit it on.
Nigga, I got a beanie on.
Beanie on. Nigga, get my beanie on. That's sequel. I'm like a damn eagle, but I'm not bald. Santa Claus got shit in my bag. You niggas some bags or some drag. Lady the queen. Baby the queen. I eat Jimmy Dean in the morning when a nigga hungry. No nigga slump me. Yo, my girl got an ass like a donkey, so I gotta jump on it, and then I ride and push shit inside. Oh, I need to get some chicken like every fucking week, nigga. Fuck that shit, nigga. My man just flowing and I'm just going, and niggas they just knowing I gotta go in. I'm done, bro.